What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to make Microsoft Edge web browser faster. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for friends of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us. After this, launch your Edge Microsoft browser. Review the upper right corner of your screen. Next to your profile picture, there is just 3 little dots. Click and open the settings. Now scroll down until you find next to help and feedback the option called settings. Click on it. Now you're gonna be able to find into the left sidebar of menus a couple of options, okay? And I recommend you to click on System and Performance next to Accessibility and Reset. Now we're gonna be able to find a couple of options. You can use the F12 to open developer tools, manage printers, performance. That is a nice option right here, so you can use the efficiency mode. In the case that you want, you can save resources on the sleeping tabs and other important things, but the focus option for us is this one, present on system. Click on it. Startup boost. You can open the Edge when you start up your computer. Continue running background extensions and apps while Edge is closed. This is bad. Use graphics acceleration when available. Okay, this is the option. And enhance videos. These two options right here must be marked. Okay. After marking this one, relaunch. So close and reopen your Edge web browser and you are good to go. This is gonna use your graphics and GPU to accelerate the process, the page, the videos, and make things better and faster on Edge. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.